A fully native WhatsApp app on your Apple Watch. It's finally here. I didn't expect it to come. We have Instagram natively on the iPad and now WhatsApp officially being released on the Apple Watch. I think so many people have been waiting for this for years now and it's finally here. I've been playing around with it for a couple of weeks now and I have to say I'm truly impressed by the capabilities of this app. I know for many people having a native fully fledged WhatsApp app on an Apple Watch can actually be a deal breaker for buying an Apple Watch, yes or no. And this is absolutely amazing news for many of these people that were doubting. I'm going to show you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your Apple Watch, what is needed to get it working, and the most important new features and changes so you know exactly how to fully use this amazing new app on your Apple Watch. So before we start, we need to check some important boxes. First of all, your Apple Watch needs to run watchOS 10. You can check this when you go to your apps, go to your settings. You can actually see this by heading to General and then go to About, and then you can see your watchOS version. So you need to have watchOS 10 or newer, and also you need to have an Apple Watch Series 4 or newer as well. So right now I have Apple Watch Series 11, one of the latest models, but you need to have an Apple Watch Series 4 or newer. These are the first boxes we need to check. Then obviously it's important to also have the latest version of a WhatsApp on your iPhone. Check that right now. Go to the App Store and check for WhatsApp Messenger, and make sure you're running the latest version and no updates are needed, which is the case. Next, of course, you need to have WhatsApp installed on your Apple Watch. And in order to do that, you can go to your Apple Watch and then head over to the App Store. And in the App Store, we obviously need to search for the app, WhatsApp. And in here, it's actually really important to get the right app. You first get faced with some clones or some dupes that were using a mirrored version of WhatsApp. It was nice to have, but now these apps actually have a problem because they're not useful anymore since the WhatsApp app is now fully native on the Apple Watch. This is the one we need, WhatsApp Messenger. Make sure to also check the ratings here. We can see this looks good. Also, if you want to be sure, make sure to head over to the bottom to developer. And there you can see the developer is a WhatsApp Inc. Download it on your Apple Watch and then the fun begins. See, I'm going to show you some of the most important new features and changes. So if we open the app, first you already see you have an overview of your different chats. That's already a big plus. And in here, you now have the possibility to just fully read the whole chat, everything that is similarly to what you see on your iPhone. You can just reply like that on any message. You can do this via voice. As you can see, it's being done automatically. But if you prefer, we can just pop out the keyboard and then you can type your messages, even swipe. Yeah, that's really useful already. Also, you can scroll down to suggestions to quickly use some predefined messages by the app, which is really easy to quickly answer. Maybe my favorite feature, and this is what I is going to believe one of the most and best use cases on Apple Watch, and that is that you can reply with a voice message. Alright, so this is a test, and it's important to note that the voice message has a limit of 10 seconds, so you can only send a 10-second voice note. Alright, so this is a test, and it's important to note that a 10-second voice. As you can see, it got cut off at the end, but yeah, 10 seconds should be plenty enough. I believe this is going to be longer in future updates. I know WhatsApp is working really hard to improve and expand this next generation of the app. And then just send it. You can see suggestions and the voice notes being sent, but that's not all. There are plenty more features. For example, you have the possibility to quickly reply with a reaction by long pressing a message, and then the different well-known and most used emojis can be used as a reply. Let's get that heart out to my brother. Then there are two other really important features as well. First off is the call notifications that you're getting. Let me give you demo of that by going back and bringing my Apple Watch to the home page. So first is a video call. I'm going to do that. How does it look on my Apple Watch? You can see you get the notification WhatsApp video, and you have the possibility here to decline or dismiss. So let's decline that. And the other option, just a normal voice call through WhatsApp, is normally going to give you the same message. You can see it's going to show WhatsApp audio, and unfortunately right now you don't have the possibility to answer these on the Apple Watch. I believe in a future version this is going to work, and I'm really excited to just communicate a really futuristic sci-fi mode on my Apple Watch like in the movies. So that's regards to notifications on Apple Watch. Okay, so and my favorite feature is the way to receive new media. Now you can see clear images and stickers on your Apple Watch, no blurry content anymore. And unfortunately this only works with images right now. Let me give you a demo of that. So I have this beautiful photo of a cathedral. I'm going to send this to myself. HD, yes or no, doesn't really matter. Sending it over to my Apple Watch here. And then checking it in WhatsApp. There you go. Let's see it. And it's really awesome. You can immediately download it and see how crisp and clear the image actually looks. There was so many times I had to just go to my iPhone and check which image it was. These days are over now with the new Apple Watch WhatsApp app. And this is how it looks when you receive a video on your Apple Watch with WhatsApp. So you get the notification. You can click on that, then you get a blurry preview. Unfortunately, you cannot fully see the video or a clear image. That's only reserved for photos right now. And if you click on it, you'll get this message, unsupported. So you need to view this on phone. But yeah, if you maybe see the preview, you maybe know already where the video is about. So you can then reply with suggestions or your own message. Videos right now not fully supported on the app yet, but it's going to change for sure. Lastly, let me show you what happens when you send a sticker. There you go. It took some seconds, but yeah, now you can also receive stickers in high quality and again quickly answer with the different reactions and even suggestions. There you have it. You can type any message on your Apple Watch. You can reply back through voice. You can even, if you want, use dictation. What do you think about the new WhatsApp app on Apple Watch? I am really stoked about this one. Finally, it's here. Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe as well. Hit the bell icon, like this video, and see you in the next one, friends. Peace.